Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix hum can't reach this page in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to turn off the DNS. To do this, for Edge users, open up Edge and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, you just need to scroll down. Use secure DNS, toggle off position. After doing this, just close it off here. For Chrome users, open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select security. You just need to scroll down. Use secure DNS, toggle off position. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the DNS server. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. And you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111 and in alternative DNS type 1001. Click on OK for save changes. Now close it off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to turn off the proxy servers. To do this, go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Select connections tab and select LAN setting. And you just need to check mark this automatically detect settings. And if you check mark this use the proxy server for your LAN, you just need to uncheck it guys. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to reset internet connection using CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy and paste this command used in my video. Check my video description for this command. After finishing both commands, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.